In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view photos in Lightroom Classic. Lightroom's library module offers several ways to look at your photos, really making it easy to organize and review them just how you like. Let's dive into these viewing options so you can find the one that fits your workflow best. First up, we have the grid view. This is your go-to option when you want to see a broad overview of your photographs. It shows you thumbnails of many photos all at once. Think of it like laying out your entire photo album on your table to quickly browse through and organize. This view is extremely handy when you want to scan through large sets of images and perhaps look over some initial selections. To switch to grid view, you can simply click on its icon in the Lightroom toolbar, or you can use the shortcut by pressing G on your keyboard. It's quick and efficient, saving you valuable time when managing your library. Next, let's talk about the loop view. Sometimes, you need to take a closer look at a specific photo. That's where loop view comes in handy. It enlarges a single photo, allowing you to inspect the details more closely. This is especially useful if you want to evaluate the sharpness of a picture, check for imperfections, or just enjoy the finer points of your artistry. To activate this view, click its icon or hit the E key for a seamless switch. Loop view really allows your photo to take center stage, perfect for deep dives into the details. There's also the compare view, which is wonderfully useful when you're trying to decide between two similar images. If you've ever taken a burst of shots trying to get that perfect moment, compare view lets you put two photos side by side, making it much easier to see which one is just right. The icon for this view is easy to spot, but you can also toggle it with a simple press of the C key. It's like having both images on the wall in an art exhibit, letting you see them both with clarity. Lastly, we have the survey view. This one's your best bet when you need to look at several images at once, perhaps more than two, to compare them and select favorites from a broader set of similar shots. After all, choosing between several great options can be a tough decision. You can switch to survey view by clicking its icon or using the N key. With this view, it feels like you're in a photo critique session, weighing all the options before picking the best. And there you have it, an overview of how these different view modes in Lightroom Classic can make your photo reviewing process much smoother. Using a mix of icons and shortcuts, you can navigate through them effortlessly, choosing the best way to showcase your work to yourself and others. Enjoy exploring these options, and happy editing in Lightroom.